Hi everyone, welcome to Coding Club. Today is going to be our first episode of learning in Java, and we're going to start with Hello World. So in this program, we're going to be printing out the statement Hello World. So this is going to be a quick video. So to start off, go into your Coding Club folder, which is something that you would have created in the last episode when you were learning how to download Eclipse, and go to the src, the source folder, and then in your default package, you can right-click, New, and click Class. In Class, you can name it Hello World, but I already had that, so I'm going to call it Hello World again. Remember, you cannot have spaces. If you have a space, then it will say type name is not invalid. And then obviously, you have to always check the public static void main button, and then click Finish. And then we have our Hello World program. So I always like to put my name here. I'm just going to put name, but you can put your name right there. And our program is just one line, and it is system.out.print ln or line. It is ln, but ln stands for line. And then in quotes and parentheses, you put hello world. And then you put another quote, you put another parenthesis, and then you put a semicolon, and that ends it. So then you click this little green button right here, this run button, click run, click OK, and in your console, you should see Hello World. If you do not have a console, go to Window, Show View, and you click Console. And then a console should pop up somewhere around here. And if you don't like where it is, you can just drag the console to where you like it. So that ends this video. If you have any questions, put them in the comment section. But thank you all for watching, and I'll see you all later. Bye!